So we're going to start off by having a look at The Road Less Travelled, which is number 6 in your Vamoosh Book 2. And I'm just going to share a screenshot of it so we can have a look at it together. You can see it's called The Road Less Travelled, and actually it sounds like a very exciting journey, this one. It's quite an exciting piece of music, this. And you can see it's marked F here, and F stands for the Italian word forte, which means loud. So you want to play it with a nice loud sound. And you can see that it says 4/4 at the beginning. The top number 4 tells you that there's 4 beats in the bar. The bottom number tells you it's quarter notes or crotchets. So 4 beats in the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see that in the first bar, there's 4 beats there. So I'm going to start off by playing it to you so you can hear how it goes. So you can see here there's some nice jazzy rhythms in this one. Here we've got a dotted crotchet, which is a beat and a half, so it's slightly longer than the normal 1 beat crotchet. So long, and then we've got a quaver half beat note here, short. So we go long, short, and that makes it sound nice and jumpy and jazzy. So I'm just going to play you that first bit from here. So really snap off that note there. Now here we've got another really nice jazzy rhythm. We've got C, C, B, played ta, 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 ah. So that this bar goes. Now this bar we jazz up those notes. They're exactly the same notes, but we play short, long, short. C, C, B. I'm just going to play you this bar. So if you can get that rhythm, it sounds really great, that bit. So I'm just going to play that again so you can hear it goes ta, 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 ah. Ta, ta, ta. Like that, and you can hear another really short one there. It's only half a beat note there, so you want to make it nice and short. At the end, we've got this long note here. Can you see this E is joined to another E here to a 4 beat note? So half beat E joined to a 4 beat E. You join them together and you hold them on. You hold it on. So I'm just going to play from here the last 2 bars. Like that to finish. Now, if you notice it in this one, it says part 1 on the first page. This is the bit I want you to practice. The second page is a duet part. So when you've learnt it, next term we'll play it as a duet together. So you'll play the first page, and at the same time I'll play the second page with you, and we'll have a try at this with the backing track. On the YouTube channel, in the Vamoosh Recorder Book 2 playlist, you'll hear a demonstration of this with the backing track, so it'd be good to listen to that, and you can hear the nice kind of lively, exciting backing track it's got, ready to try and play it with it when we go back to school in September. So the next thing that we're going to do with this is I'd like you to have a go at writing in the notes. So if you feel that you want to have a go at this yourself, if you can have a go at it, then pause the video now, get a pencil and try and write in the notes, and then I'm going to show you in a minute the notes written in so that you can check that they're right. It starts off with a note on the second line. This circle's on the second line, every good, so it starts on a G, doesn't it? So yeah, if you want to pause the video now and get a pencil. Okay, so here is the piece with the notes written in. So if you haven't written them in already, you can now copy them in. Now you can see I haven't written the notes for the third line, and that's because the third line is exactly the same as the first line. So you might want to copy in the notes here, but they're exactly the same as the first line. You can see it's the same music there. So you might want to pause the video now just to write all of that in pencil. Make sure you're using a pencil